Hey, welcome to WPAK channel. In this video, we'll walk you through steps to add privacy policy to your WordPress website. But before we jump into it, let's understand what is privacy policy and why you should have it on your website. Many visitors are concerned about their private information shared and its usage by the website. Hence, they hesitate to share the information with the website owners. So what can we do to collect the information while maintaining the visitor's privacy? This is exactly where the privacy policy plays a vital role. The privacy policy is a statement or a legal document that discloses the visitor information stored by the website. It stands as a contract between your website and visitors. It will help you to win visitors' trust by disclosing information stored with its usage. Here are top 3 reasons why you need a privacy policy on your website. It helps in SEO. Google ranks the trusted content on the top. Hence, having a privacy policy will improve the chances of ranking higher. Running online advertisements. Ad networks like Google and Facebook requires to have a privacy policy on the website. It is required by legal authorities. Regulatory boards like GDPR, CCPA and FTC enforce having a privacy policy on the website for maintaining visitors' privacy. Even big companies like Google and Facebook have been penalized for not declaring the information stored. Now that you know why you need a privacy policy on your website, let's understand what you should put in the privacy policy. You should provide the information about what visitor data is stored and how it is collected on the website. Explain the reason for storing user data. Inform about the third-party ad and analytics tools that store user information from your website. Provide steps for users to opt out from information sharing. Also, to ease visitors' experience, tell them about your support details to get in touch for help. For the demonstration, we'll take a newsletter's example. You will have to include a section stating that you are storing emails via newsletter. Based on the visitor preference, the organization may send marketing emails for product, services, and offers. If the visitor doesn't wish to get emails, he can unsubscribe from the mail. Let's create a privacy policy page. You have 3 options to add a privacy policy to your WordPress website. You can add using default WordPress setup. The latest WordPress comes with inbuilt policy generator. This update makes it a lot easier to add privacy policy than before. You can create the default policy from Settings Privacy tab. The second alternative is to use third-party tools like Terms Feed and iVendor to generate privacy policy. And the third method is to create a policy page with WordPress plugin. In this video, we are using WP Legal Pages for creating the privacy policy page. The first step is to install the plugin. You can directly search for the plugin or upload the plugin zip. Let's search for WP Legal Pages plugin. Click on Install for installing the plugin. After installation, click on Activate. Once the plugin is activated, you will see the Legal Pages tab in your dashboard menu. Click on the tab to get started. You will see a disclaimer from WP Legal Pages. Go through it and accept the terms and policy to proceed. This will open the General Settings page. Enter your website and address details here. Click Save after filling the details. Once you save the changes, you are all set to create a policy page. Click at the bottom link to create your policy page. As you can see, the template provides detailed information about user data stored, cookies, information shared with third parties, and it also has a section that informs about the user right to retain or remove the personal information. Once you finalize the content, click on the Publish button. This will create a new page for a privacy policy. You can also edit this page from the Pages, All Pages and Privacy Policy page. And that's all. Your privacy policy page is published. Just include the link on your website and you're good to go. WP Legal Pages provide various other policy pages. You can also check out the Pro version. It gives 25 plus policy templates. We have also made a detailed blog about creating a policy page in the WordPress. Please go through the link in the description box below. That's all from our end. Tell us which method would you prefer for creating a policy page in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.